Hi, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to take the time to make you this quick video today and give you some tips and tricks on how to boost your online presence. And at the end of the video, if you could possibly give me some feedback, it would be greatly appreciated. I don't want to take up too much of your time. So the things I want to go over with you today are going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So content is going to be made up of anything on your home page here. Any wording that you use, any photos that you use, how those photos are saved, and what's behind those photos are all a part of your content. Now, Google does like to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a home page, and within that content, you want to add the keywords that you want your business to be found for. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product that you want your business to be found for. Now you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found, and then that way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that would be a huge help. Now, I did input your information into this tool that we use here. It is called Ahrefs. I am been able to see the analytics of your website. So the first thing that you see here is going to be the trust and the strength. And this is on a scale of 100. Now, the idea is to be able to boost these up and keep them as even as possible. Now, you are also indexing for no keywords at the moment, so we would want to be able to definitely take a look at the competition, see what the competitors are ranking for and what their keywords are, because you want to definitely implement those buyer intent keywords that people are going to search your website for. Now, you do have 17 backlinks from 8 referring domains. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another website. So these links act like an endorsement of your websites from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing that others are vouching for you. Now, not all of these backlinks are the same. The links are definitely not created equal. Some of the links are more spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the links that are definitely more authoritative, and that's going to bring that power to your website. So I'll be able to show you in comparison to a different competitor here in just a moment, and I'll show you their analytics as well. So the idea is to get all of these things working together and to get you on what we call the Google Map Pack here. This is definitely the bread and butter for businesses. This is the first place people are going to go when they're searching for specific services, is going to be this map pack and these top businesses here. Now, if you have a Google business profile, there is an About Us section on that Google business profile. You do want to utilize all 750 words of that section, and then we also want to make sure you are implementing keywords into that section as well. You also want to be very responsive to your reviews and your messages. Make sure you keep posting weekly branded photos and posts and geolocated photos as well. And that's always going to help with your relevance. Now, another important thing is called citations. So with that is going to be anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number are in things like, let's say, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Better Business Bureau. And by going out there and giving your information to as many people as possible, that's going to increase your relevance, and then it also helps your website as well. So I did pull up a competitor's website here. And here you're able to look over and see the content that they have, the photos and stuff like that here. And then I did put their website into the analytics as well. So they got a little bit of that trust going. Then here, there's no backlinks, but they have keywords. They have 498 keywords. So then we're able to go through and see the keywords that they have and see if we can find ones that are going to be buyer intent that would work for your business as well. And then those are the types of keywords you want to implement so you can start also being able to get boosted up on Google for those. So those are the tips I have for you today. If you ever have any questions, I will attach my phone number and my email to this post as well. And then you're able to ever text me, call me, email me, whatever works best if you ever have any questions. And again, I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch this, and I hope you have a great day.